Beth, I hear you calling, but I can't come home right now. Me and the boys are playing, and we just can't find the sound. Just a few more hours, and I'll be right home to you. I think I hear them calling. Oh, Beth, what can I do? Beth, what can I do? Hey guys, it's Sugar Skull Candy, and I look a little different today. Today we are going to be doing Peter Criss, or some people call him Catman from Kiss. My boyfriend and his parents and I are going to see Kiss in March, and we are going to dress up like the members. With just our faces. We're not gonna pull out the tall ass boots and stuff, but so I'm gonna be sprinkling these Kiss looks throughout the next couple of months through my videos. This is the one that I'm going as, so I'm doing this one first. But for the sake of the tutorials, I'm gonna have Jake come on so I can practice doing the other ones on someone else's face, because I don't have a lot of experience doing makeup on other people. So if you like what you see today, continue watching. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is take a porous sponge like so. And I'm going to do a majority of my face white. I like to use these porous sponges because I feel like they distribute the face paint more evenly. And today I am going to be using Blow Buggles in white. I'm not worrying about my eyes so much because we're going to be covering that with black later. And if you couldn't tell, I did have on foundation already, just to make the paint apply more evenly. After getting off what you can of your lips, we're going to move into the eyes next. So we are going to be taking black from Blow Buggles, and we are going to be creating these I don't know, kind of cat eye things. He's a Catman, of course. So I'm going to take a little brush. I'm going to start with a super tiny one just to outline. Now that I've got the outer outline, I'm going to create the little line, the little cat eye in the middle that he has that's filled in with green. Now that we have our outline, I'm going to take a slightly bigger brush and start filling in the black of the cat eye. Now that I have the black parts, now that I have the black section filled in, I'm going to go in with a dark green. This is not by Bo Buggles, but it's by Paradise, and I just needed a little one, so this is just what I got. And we're gonna fill in the eye with that. I love this stuff. It smells like coconut. What we're going to do is take some setting powder and apply that on the lid so that dries up. I'm going to do it under my eye as well. There we go, that's one eye done. Now go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. Alright, now that we've got our eyes, let's move on to the nose. So for the nose, we're going to go back to our tiny little brush, like so, as I keep in my hand. And we're going to create the tip of his nose. It's kind of like an upside down heart shape. You really just have to follow the tip of your nose. So Peter Criss has this small section in the center of his nose that is silver, and I don't know why, but this has literally been the hardest part of the look so far. It's like so little, and I can't really tell what the shape is in the picture, so I'm just kind of guessing. But it looks like there's two little like peaks on the bottom, and they come to peaks on the side, and then just rounded on top, which is what I'm going for. Alright, so now I'm going to be dipping it into the silver face paint by Paradise again. With a very tiny brush. We're going to do another one of these little angled brush and try to outline this shape and make it silver. And then I'm going to fill in the rest of the tip of my nose with black. We are finally done with the nose. I'm actually happy with the result. This turned out cute. Alright, so next we have the whiskers, I guess you could call them. But I think first I'm going to apply the red lipstick. Okay, so I asked my boyfriend which red he thought I should use, and he thinks I should use this one right here, which is Rich Red, which happens to be my favorite from e.l.f. So I'm going to get that going. Then we are going back to our tiny brush that we've been using the black and with and we are going to line his top lip, and he also has like this little line, these little lines that come down from his nose like a cat does. So since I'm kind of running out of room down here, he has more of like a square face and mine is more more angled. I am just going to dab a little more white down here, I think, in case my whiskers do get a little low. I'm going to draw the top whiskers first, so I know that they'll fit in, and then I'll go back and do the bottom whiskers. And there we have it, folks. How do you think I did? Let me know down in the comments. To make sure this look stays, you could put translucent powder on. I'm not going to do it today because I'm going to be taking this off right away. But especially in the creases of your eyes, because once you start sweating, the water paint is going to crease and come off. So, something else I wanted to touch on today. You might have noticed I know it's hard to take me seriously right now because I am Peter Criss, but you might have noticed that my face has gotten a little thinner over the last few months, and that is because I have lost 27 pounds. I am super proud of myself, and I wanted to share this information because I'm looking for support. If you are someone who's trying to lose weight, let's support each other. My coworker and I have a Facebook page called B and Lacey Take On 2019. So if you are looking to support us, or you are looking for support yourself, please like it up. Also, I'm going to be posting my progress on Instagram. I lost the 27 pounds within the last 6 months. Technically, I started back in July, but I lost half of that in the last month because I really started kicking it in the ass. So, like I said, if you want to follow our page on Facebook, if you want support, if you want to just support us, I would greatly appreciate it. Yeah. So, I think every week I'm going to give like little updates about how my weight loss is coming, and yeah. As always, if you like what you saw today, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please share my videos and tune back in next Tuesday for a brand new tutorial. Bye, everybody.